Well, kind of clean.
Kind of clean. Got a couple new tires on there. Did the carb job. She's running great. The brakes are working great. We did a little paint work on the dump box. Kind of covered up the mess that was in there. It matches up really, really good. New battery. Put some fresh air in those tires. And yeah, we got her posted. We just posted it on Marketplace, Kijiji, and Craigslist. And we've already got bites on her. So I have the feeling this one's gonna sell pretty quick. If not today, maybe tomorrow or early this week. Anyway, thanks for watching our video on the John Deere Gator buy and sell flip. Hit subscribe and catch us on the next one.
No filter, I got no filter, no